What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a DIY fabrication table. It's going to be sitting back there in the corner. We went to Metal Supermarket today and grabbed some metal, just the base plates for now and the supports. I have to grab the actual top sheet. To give a little update around here, Austin has someone coming to look at his BMW in a couple minutes. Might be selling it. SC is getting a repaint job, so right now it's getting sanded, but that's for another video, so I'm not going to be showing you too much on that. But yeah, for right now, I'm going to be cutting up some slates. I'll probably do a little time lapse for now, and once I get everything cut, I will come back. I just got the top table frame cut out right now, just kind of mocked up. I'm gonna go ahead and build the legs, and then once I get the legs in, I gotta build one. I'm building like, this is gonna be the top here, and then under it I'm gonna have a shelf kind of halfway all the way through to set the welder on, and then the bottle is gonna be going over here on a little shelf as well, and then my toolbox will be somewhere over here, but that's all going in the corner. But for now, there's the top. Still got to build the legs, a couple of supports across, so I got to double up on these pieces here. I got the entire frame made. It looks pretty good. I got to do a couple more little cuts here and there just to get everything to fit right. But I have a lot of preparation ahead of me. I got to grind down every corner, sand it down with the grinder just to clean it up before I weld it. And then I got to wipe down everything with acetone. We'll get this thing welded together. I got to get the plate for the top and a plate for the bottom as well for the shelf. But here's what I got so far. So I kind of built it upside down. So you got the main frame going across. This beam here and this beam here are going to be for the bottom shelf. These are the legs. This is a support for up for the bottom legs as well, about halfway down, also for the shelf. And then I got about one more piece for the shelf in the bottom. I'm going to be putting a support leg in the middle as well, just in case I have some heavy stuff on there and it's not going to fall. Okay, so I got everything ground down. It's ready to weld. It's cleaned down with acetone as well. I just got to fit everything together perfectly, get all the gaps right, make sure it's all level all the way across, and then I'm going to start tacking it up. Alright, real quick, for any of you guys that weld out there, this product that I use on the MIG welding tips, it's called Walter Weld Nozzle. This shit is great. So basically what it does is you take this and stick it right down in here, and then it sprays it and keeps all the slag off the inside of here, so you get perfect gas coverage. It doesn't like clog up at all or anything. You do have to keep reapplying every 30 minutes of welding, but that's fucking awesome. It will last a long time. So I'll show you really quick. Stick that in there. Just grab like a little rag or something to cover the top. Spray it, and then it's coated. The top is made, the top plate at least, not the legs. I haven't got the legs or the bottom supports on or anything yet, but here, it's right here. It's all welded together now. Now I just got to put the legs on and the cross supports between the legs. I got one back support and then another one in the middle for the shelf that's going about right there. But just to give you an idea, just some welds. Focus, let's see. Very nice. Derek's gonna help me put these two together because I can't hold everything at once and tack everything at once. So I got some magnets holding down the bottom right now. I'm about to put in the bottom support for the shelf in between, tack that up, cross beams as well to go between that leg and the leg over here. Another one's gonna go directly in the middle, but about like up here because this is flipped upside down right now. We got the bottom supports all tacked in for right now. I'm working on the last piece of the shelf. It did kind of warp a little bit on this side because this one is 71 inches long and this one is now 72 inches long. So I put a ratchet strap on it. I'm going to be pulling it into 71 inches. I just got to cut this piece a couple inches off, and then I'm going to stick it in there, ratchet strap it closed so it stays tight. Tack it in there. As you can see, I've just only tacked it for now, but I'm going to be going around everything, re-welding. Okay, so finished welding. It's all tacked together now. It's actually fully welded together now. Let's see if we can focus. And welder's bugging this thing out. But so yeah, everything is welded completely all the way around. I even grinded these top welds down flat, just so when I put the top plate on, it's not going to be sticking up anywhere like in where the welds are. So I went ahead and did that already. But now task is to take this 2x2 and I'm building cross braces, like diagonals in each corner, just to, you know, get a little bit more support. I don't think I'm going to do anything in the bottom, but maybe down here actually in the back has kind of like a back support, I guess. But yep, so that's what I'm going to be working on. I just got to cut them out. They're all 90s here, so 45s. That'll be easy enough. But yeah, once I get that done, I'll show you guys what's going on. Okay, it's the next day. I got the supports on the cross braces all done yesterday. I still got like one or two more that I want to put in there as well. And then I also want to put one more bar straight down right here, just for back support as well. And then two more of those 45s up towards my feet, just to give it some more rigidity, just because the plate on top is going to be super heavy and I'm definitely going to be putting a lot of heavy stuff on there. It'll just give it a little bit extra support. So I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 more of these bars here, and then those are going towards the front there, 1 there, and then that middle bar here, just for, you know, extra. It's definitely overbuilt. I could leave it as it is, but I don't know, I just anal about that kind of stuff. But I'll do that, I'll come back. All right, I just finished up welding the entire thing. It is completely done for the supports at least. I still have to do wheel casters, and then I'm also putting plates on the bottom next to the casters and putting bolts through with a plate on the bottom and a nut on the top so I can run that through. And I'm gonna be leveling out the floor so when I have to move it, I can actually get the plates up off the ground, put it on the casters, move it, and then when I'm ready to put it wherever I want, I can just take like a drill or whatever and set the bolts down onto the ground, and I can actually level out the table that way. And then tomorrow I am picking up the plate to go on top, and then I also have to get a little shelf on the bottom and cut that out to match this around there, around the corner, and around this corner over here as well. And then that'll lay flat. I'll get the casters on there, the plates, everything like that, and it'll be done. Alright, that's going to be it for today. I'm going to be making a part 2 as well, just because this video is getting quite long. But in the next one, I'm going to be showing you guys welding the top on the table, as well as the bottom shelf, the casters, and those leveling legs as well. I'll show you guys what's going on with that. But if you guys like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.